All right, next up we have the numeral and dot puzzle. This one goes through 10, but in the beginning I would keep it at lower numbers, specifically 1 through 5. I just have 1 through 3 here to not make it so overwhelming.
My kids refuse to put it away like that. Like they put it away already matched. I'm like, it's not making it tricky for our next friend. But
well,
like,
in the box it comes in, it's actually kind of hard to get them in there if they're not matched.
I think that's why they do it.
One thing that drives me crazy is they don't like match up perfectly.
They don't?
Not some of them.
We're going to find out.
I don't think mine have that problem.
Oh, well, maybe it's ours.
Messed with it, like jammed it or chewed it or messed.
Yeah. So you want to practice this both ways. You want them to recognize the numeral to the quantity and the quantity to the numeral. So in the beginning, it's easier to count and then find the matching number. So I would start with picking out one of our quantities. 1, 2. 2. 3, 2. That matches pretty good.
Yeah, ours doesn't.
You done? That's really
So I guess some of them. Most of them do, but some
Is
of
it
them.
But they're
possible you
very
have, like,
different.
Is it possible you have like mixed and matched sets?
We could.
Check that. 1, 2, 3. Three. 1. 1. And we're going to isolate the difficulty here by not making them put it in numerical order as well.
Oh, I'm wondering about that.
So do you see how that's easier to count the quantity first and then find the matching numeral versus saying I have 3, and then you'd actually need to count each of these to determine which one is 3. Or
Yeah.
if you think it's 3, then 1, 2, 3. That would be slightly more difficult. So I would focus on counting first and then matching it to the number. Cool. And then you can mix and match which numbers you have out. In the toddler room, I definitely don't recommend having all 10 sets because that's a lot that can be all over the place.